It's so going on YouTube. Like, you back, like, dog comes Claudia. He's on the leash, Lee, so he can go wherever he likes.
No, not me.
Not me. He loves you. Look. Oh, no, not me.
Honey, come here. Look.
Gooch. No, Gooch.
You're putting it towards you.
No, she is.
Do you want some doggy love?
No, he doesn't want me. He wants Claudia.
Doggy love. Stan. You got doggy? No. I was about to say. Right.
I had a burger on the way.
Well, look. That's why you know. Do you know from the time that we rang you?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, when I texted you.
Yeah.
Yeah. There was 4 C11s.
Really? Oh, that's
Right.
probably why, because I went to get a burger. Sorry. I wanted to eat.
Can you stop filming now?
Yeah, can you? Yeah, it's kind of weird.
Because the dog has stopped humping.
Aww.
I'm
I'm so hungry.
He's just still got his doggy bone off.